As a YouTube content creator, one of the best ways to keep viewers watching your content for longer is by using the end screen card features during uploads. So if you are looking to get more views, more subscribers and more watch time so that your channel can get monetized fast, then you should always add an end screen to your YouTube videos. The YouTube video end screen is something often overlooked by most content creators on YouTube because they don't realize the importance of the end screen. At the end of this video, you will be glad that you came across this video because you would already know the importance of it. Are you now ready to learn the best way to add an end screen to your YouTube video in order to get more views? So let's get started. In order to get started, click on your profile picture, then select view your channel. Click on manage videos. Then I'm going to select the video that I wanted to use as an example for the sake of this video. So I'm going to select this one right now. So click on this pen icon in order to edit it. Then I'll come to this section, then click on end screen. So I'll click on elements. Then there are so many elements you can add here. So if you like, you can add video as your end screen, you can add playlist, you can add subscribe, you can add channel, and you can add multiple items to your end screen. For instance, if I wanted to add video, playlist and subscribe to the end screen, so all I need to do is to select video. So once I select the video, as you can see, it has appeared here. So I'm still going to add another element, then I'm going to select playlist. So then from the playlist I have on my channel, you should have a playlist already. So I'm going to select the playlist that I wanted to add. After the playlist, I'm going to click on element again in order to add another element. Then I'm going to click on subscribe. This way, if anybody click on this profile picture, it's going to prompt them to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to arrange it so that everything can be placed in the center. So after I'm done arranging this one, I will also make sure I arrange this one as well. Can you see? Then I'm going to place the subscribe button here. So can you see everything is now lining up perfectly? So here we have the video here, we have the subscribe button here, and we also have another playlist here. So feel free to customize it to your taste. So you can add any element you like, depends on your preference, and you can also rearrange it if you like. You can arrange it in so many ways. So for instance, if you want it to look like this, so you can rearrange it. Maybe you want the subscribe button to be here, you can rearrange it so that here we have the playlist, the most recent video, then you have the subscribe button here, so that each time a viewer is done watching your video, so it's going to recommend more of your YouTube videos to them so that they can keep watching your video. This allow viewers to stay longer on your channel. This encourage more subscriber, more watch hour, and in terms of growth, it help your channel to grow faster. If you wanted to customize the starting point where you want the playhead to begin, I can simply drag it to that point. I wanted it to start around this point, so I'm going to drag it to this section. So you are going to place your cursor here until you see this icon, this double arrow icon. So you are going to drag it to the point where you want the playhead to be. So feel free to customize it to your taste. Then I'm going to drag this one as well, and the playhead is going to start around this point. So feel free to customize it depending on your personal preference. After you are done, click on save. So now this is how the end screen is going to look like at the end of the video when a viewer is done watching the video. So before the person goes, it's going to suggest these two videos. That is, the first one is going to be the playlist, the second one is going to be this one, and the third one is going to be this subscribe button. As you can see, when I click on this, it's going to ask the person to subscribe. So if the person click on this subscribe button, is going to be able to subscribe to our channel, and if the person click on any of this video, is going to be able to watch this particular video. So when I click on it, you will see that the video is going to start playing immediately. So you to grow your channel fast, it can help you to gain more subscribers, more watch time, and so on and so forth. If you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.